Hello guys, so today we'll see how to solve the problems using dimensional analysis method. So let's get started. So this is the first problem, 23.6 meters to decimeters. Now firstly we'll write down the conversion factors that we need to convert 23.6 meters to decimeters. So we know that we have to convert meters, right? So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, we know, and we want the relation between decimeter and centimeter. So 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeters. Now we'll start our problem. So 23.6 meters multiplied by, now we'll just write this conversion factor in the fraction form, like 1 meters 100 centimeters multiplied by, so here it is centimeters, so it is 10 centimeters will be here and 1 decimeters will be here. So if we'll see, we have written this conversion factor in such a way that they will get, the similar units will get cancelled out. So meters will get cancelled out, then this centimeter and centimeter will get cancelled out. So we'll get the answer as, so 23.6 multiplied by 100 and divided by this 10 and the unit decimeter. So our answer will be 236 decimeter. So if you'll see in the given problem, 23.6 has the 3 significant figures and our final answer has also the 3 significant figures. So this is our final answer. Now the second one, so 142 pounds to milligrams. So we'll just write down the conversion factors those we required. So 1 lb equals 453.6 grams, and we want the relation between grams and milligrams. So 1 grams equals 1000 milligrams. Now we'll just start our problem. So 142 pounds. Now here 1 lb and 453.6, so we'll write 453.6 in the numerator and 1 lb in the denominator, so that lb will get cancelled, and then we have 1 gram, so here we'll write in denominator 1 gram and here 1000 milligram. Now we'll just cancel out the units, 1 lb, grams and grams. Now 142 multiplied by 453.6 multiplied by 1000 and the unit is milligrams. Now the answer will be, after calculating, we'll get 6.44112 into 10 raised to 7 milligrams. Now if we'll see, there are 3 significant figures in 142. Now these are the constants, so we'll not consider them when determining the number of significant figures. So we'll use this 142 to write our final answer to the correct number of significant figures. So our answer will be in 3 significant figures. So 6.44 multiplied by 10 raised to 7 milligrams. This will be our final answer. Now the third one, the average speed of hydrogen at 25 degrees Celsius is 1921 meters per second. Convert this speed to miles per hour. Now here if you see, there are 2 units, meters and second, and we have to convert these meters to miles and these seconds to hours. Now we'll just write down the conversion factors those we need. So we know 1 mile equals to 1609.34 meters. Also we know 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Also we know 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Now this is the speed. We'll start with this. So 1921 meters per So seconds is 1 second multiplied by, now firstly we'll just convert this meters to miles. We'll just put this conversion factor here in the numerator and denominator form. So meters, we have this 1609.34 meters, and here it is 1 mile, so 1 mile. Now this is done. Now seconds, so seconds and minutes, we have this conversion. So seconds is in denominator, so we'll write this 60 seconds in the numerator. So this is seconds, so we'll just write it like this. So 1 minute. Now we have the conversion factor for between minutes and hour as well, so we'll write in this way. So minute should be in numerator, so 60 minutes and 1 hour. Now let's cancel out the similar units. So meters, then seconds, minutes and minutes. In the numerator it is miles, and in the denominator it will be hour, so our unit will be miles per hour. So after calculation we'll get, so we'll just write it down like 1921 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60, so this 60 and this 60, then divided by 1609.34, and the unit miles per hour. Now the answer will be 4.2972 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 miles per hour. Now if you'll see the number of significant figures in 1921, therefore, so also if you'll see here it is 60 seconds, 60 minutes, then here 1609.34, they are all constants. So we'll use this number to determine the number of significant figures in the final answer. So our final answer will be in 4 significant figures. So this will be 4.297 into 10 raised to 3 miles per hour, mph. Now the last problem. A 7.0 feet person weighs 172 lb. So it is found. Express the person's height in meters and weight in kilograms. So there are 2 small problems. So we'll just write a, small a, and we'll just convert the person's height in meters. Okay, so we have 7.0 feet, and we have the conversion factor provided here. 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So we'll just write it down. 7.0 feet multiplied by, we'll write down the conversion factor. So feet, 3.2 feet, 28 feet will be in denominator because the units feet will be get cancelled. So 1 meter. Now this will get cancelled, and we'll get 7.0 divided by 3.28 meters. So the final answer will be 2.1341 meters. Now if you'll see 7.0, it has the 2 significant figures, so our final answer will be in 2 significant figures, so 2.1 meters. Now we'll solve the second part. Here we have to convert the weight in kilograms. So we have the conversion factor as 1 pound is equal to 453.6 grams, and we need one more conversion factor, that is 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. Now we'll start our problem. So starting with 172 lb multiplied by, now this unit 1 lb 453.6 grams multiplied by here, so this gram should get cancelled, so 1000 grams and 1 kilogram. Now this lb and lb will get cancelled, this gram and this gram will get cancelled, so we'll get 172 multiplied by 453.6 divided by 1000, and the unit will be kilograms. So after calculation we'll get 78.0192 kilograms. So this will be, now if we'll see in 172 we have 3 significant figures, so our final answer will be 3 significant figures, 78.0 kilograms. So these are the practice problems. You guys can comment your answers in the comments section. Please do like if you get any value from this video. Please do share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.